Today we're out installing a 10 kilowatt hour solar system with Enphase microinverters and a Tesla Powerwall. We're on a mission to help these people reduce their bill and save the environment at the same time. Let's go have a look at how it all goes together. So here we've got the microinverters that are just going to sit under the panels. So we've got the individual panel level monitoring. So if one panel stops performing, you'll know about it in the app. Come up here, address the issue, give it a clean, give us a call, whatever you need to do to get it fixed. This is a Clenergy blacked out isolator, black on black. This is pretty cool. With the Enphase microinverters, we've got the Enphase gateway here. We've linked it up with the Tesla gateway here, and we've got the Tesla battery here. Full home backup, 10-year warranty. This is the best battery you can get.